My friend, remember, if you practice every day, you can definitely speak English in 30 days. Don't stop. Don't feel shy. Keep going. Yes, in just 1 month, you can speak better English if you follow these steps. Don't worry, this is not boring. I will give you simple, practical steps you can start today. Let's begin our 30-day journey together. First, ask yourself, why do you want to speak English? Is it for your job? For your studies? Or to travel? When you know your goal, you will stay motivated. Let me quickly tell you the 30-day plan. Week 1. Build vocabulary and start listening. Week 2. Start speaking with yourself. Week 3. Speak with others. Week 4. Improve fluency and confidence. Sounds simple? Let's break it down step by step. In the first week, we will focus on 2 things. Vocabulary. Learn 10 new words every day. Listening. Listen to English for 30 minutes daily. Day 1 to day 3. Build vocabulary. Learn words you use in daily life, like food, transport, work, greetings. Example: water bottle, mobile phone, shopping, office. Use flashcards or mobile apps to remember them. Day 4 to day 7. Active listening. Watch simple English videos with subtitles. Listen to English songs and try to understand the words. You can also watch English buddy videos every day. Winking face. Activity: every day, repeat the new words aloud. Make simple sentences. Example: I drink water from the bottle. I use my mobile phone to call my friend. In week 2, you start speaking. Don't wait for someone. Start with yourself. Day 8 to day 11, talk to yourself. Look at objects around you and describe them in English. Example: this is my table. It is brown. Speak in front of a mirror. Practice your daily routine in English. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I drink tea. Day 12 to day 14, daily English diary. Start speaking about your day for 2 to 5 minutes. Record your voice on your mobile. Example: today I went to the market. I bought vegetables. I met my friend. Now it's time to speak with real people. Day 15 to day 17, simple conversation. Speak English with family, friends, or online partners. Start with basic greetings and small talk. Example: hi, how are you? What did you do today? Day 18 to day 21, join speaking groups. Join WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook groups for English practice. Speak with language partners for 5-10 minutes every day. Ungli se dahini or ishara activity. Do not worry about grammar mistakes. Focus on speaking. It's okay to make mistakes. Speaking is more important than perfection. Congratulations, you have reached the final week. Ungli se dahini or ishara. Day 22 to day 25. Watch and repeat. Watch English news, stories, or YouTube videos. Pause and repeat the sentences loudly. Example: the speaker says, I love learning English. You say, I love learning English. Day 26 to day 28. Tell stories in English. Try to tell a short story in English. You can tell about your school, family, a movie you saw, or your travel. Try to speak for 2 to 5 minutes without stopping. Day 29 to day 30, full practice. Speak with yourself, with your friends, and record videos of yourself. Watch your videos and feel your improvement. Celebrate your success. Ungli se dahini or ishara. Bonus tips for faster improvement. Think in English, not in your native language. Use simple sentences. Don't try difficult grammar. Read English newspapers loudly for 5 minutes daily. Listen to English podcasts while walking or cooking. My friend, remember, if you practice every day, you can definitely speak English in 30 days. Don't stop. Don't feel shy. Keep going.